We'll guide you through how to use Dropbox on your desktop. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to Dropbox.com. If you don't have an account yet, click on Sign Up and fill in your details to create one. If you already have an account, click Sign In and enter your credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll see your Dropbox homepage. To upload files, click the Upload button at the top right. You can choose to upload files or entire folders from your computer. Simply select the files you want to upload and click Open. These files will now appear in your Dropbox, accessible from anywhere you log in. To organize your files, you can create new folders by clicking New Folder, name your folder, and then drag and drop files into it. If you need to share a file or folder, right-click on it and select Share. Enter the email addresses of the people you want to share with, set their permission level, and click Share. They will receive a link to access your shared files. Should you need to download a file, simply right-click the file and select Download. For easy access, you can also install the Dropbox desktop app. Just go to the Dropbox website, click on your profile icon, and select Install. This app syncs your files directly to your computer, making it easy to work offline. Lastly, if you need to recover a deleted file, go to the Deleted Files section on the left sidebar. You can restore files deleted in the last 30 days. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.